New wrenches today. This here is the Carlisle. Right there, 11-piece, 12-point metric set. Size is right there. Lifetime warranty, made in Taiwan. We got 12-point ends. Everything's engraved. Nice Napa Carlisle logo. Sizes, both sides. Part number on the back. You got some non-slip design that they got going on here. I suppose it can't hurt, right? I don't know how effective all these are, but it can't hurt. These look like, you know, a wrench is a wrench. Price varies quite a bit between all the wrenches offered in this country, but these look just as nice as any of them.